Hi, I'm James from SportFit, and today we're going to be doing some multi-sport activities working on our throwing accuracy and distance. SportFit provides multi-sports and sport-specific sessions for children, young people and adults through the medium of Welsh and English. These include after-school sessions, community sessions and school holiday courses. For more information on what we do at SportFit, follow us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, or contact us at info@sportfit.wales. Our first activity is going to be bowling. You're going to need something that you can roll, we've gone with a tennis ball, and something that you can knock over, we've gone with water bottles.